Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a lead here in Salesforce. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a lead in Salesforce is a fundamental process, allowing you to capture potential sales opportunities and manage them until they become a customer. Right? So once you are inside the interface of your dashboard, I want you to click on the app launcher that is located on the top left corner. When you see it's grayed out, but if you hover your mouse, you'll see some colorful circular buttons. If you click that, I want you to type in leads. And from here, that's going to be under items. Click on it. All you have to do is basically click this button right here that says new lead. And of course, that would forward you to creating a new lead button. Okay, so you have all this information for you to fill in. For example, that's going to be a lead status. It's is it going to be working, nurturing, qualified, unqualified, or new? I'm just going to create new for now. You can put in the salutation such as, is it going to be Mr., Miss, Mrs., for example, this. Now, I'm going to put in some information here. Okay, put in the website, but the company is the asterisk are required. All right, so if you don't have any of the information here, it's okay, just leave it alone. For the company, I'm gonna type in deep left industry. You can put in as much as you can, but for now I'm happy with how it looks. All I have to do is click on save, and basically that's how you create a lead here in Salesforce. It's a straightforward process, really. But please take note that the fields that appear in this form might vary based on the customizations in your Salesforce org. Required fields will be marked as red asterisk, all right? So you have all of this option. You can put in as working, nurturing, and converted, all right? Alternatively, you can save in new if you want to save this lead and immediately create another one. And once save, again, you will be directed to the leads detail page. You can put in, you see this edit title, you can edit for as long as you want and click on save, all right? Want to make sure everything is correct here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.